Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Walmart Marketplace seller account securely, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Walmart Marketplace seller account securely, begin by visiting the Walmart Marketplace website. Click on the sign in button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address and password into the designated fields. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the password recovery process. After successfully logging in, navigate to the account settings. Locate the Security Settings option within your account dashboard. You may be prompted to verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Select your preferred method for receiving the verification code. This could be via email or text message. After choosing your method, click Send Code. Check your email inbox or text messages for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field on the website. Ensure that the code is entered accurately to proceed. Once verified, you can set up additional security measures if prompted. Consider enabling multi-factor authentication for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. Regularly update your password to maintain a secure account. Create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. Keep your contact information up to date to ensure seamless recovery options. Lastly, log out of your account after each session, especially on shared devices. By following these steps, you'll successfully authenticate your Walmart Marketplace seller account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.